Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel, your trusted destination for smart product insights and practical innovations. Today, we're exploring 5 powerful swimming pool heat pumps designed to help you maintain the perfect water temperature all season long. Let's dive in. Number 5. The Varpoolfaye. This high-performance inverter swimming pool heat pump delivers 58,000 BTU of heating power, making it suitable for pools up to 17,000 gallons, with additional size options covering a wide range of capacities. It features advanced inverter technology for energy-efficient and quiet operation, helping maintain consistent water temperatures while reducing noise levels. The system includes Wi-Fi app control, allowing users to adjust settings remotely from a smartphone. Designed to run on a standard 220-volt power supply, it integrates easily into many residential setups and offers dependable heating performance for extended swimming seasons. Number 4. The MICOE. This smart swimming pool heat pump provides 75,000 BTU of power and supports both heating and cooling functions, making it a versatile option for maintaining comfortable water temperatures year-round. It's designed for pools up to 21,000 gallons, with multiple size variants available. The inverter-driven system enhances efficiency while keeping operation quiet. Built-in app control allows users to switch between modes and fine-tune temperature settings remotely. Compatible with 220 to 240 volt power, it offers flexible installation and precise temperature management in changing weather conditions. Number 3. The AQUASTRONG. This inverter-based pool heat pump is built for both heating and cooling applications, supporting a wide range of pool sizes from smaller setups to larger systems up to 26,000 gallons. It incorporates smart Wi-Fi control for easy monitoring and adjustments through a mobile app. The inverter technology helps optimize energy use while maintaining steady performance. Designed for all-season reliability, it focuses on user-friendly operation and durability, making it a practical solution for maintaining consistent pool temperatures. Number 2. The WARMBLU. The WARMBLU H18 delivers 60,000 BTU of heating power and is designed for pools up to 21,000 gallons. It features a high-efficiency COP rating of 16, contributing to significant energy savings compared to traditional systems. Powered by smart inverter technology, it operates quietly while providing precise temperature control. The unit runs on 220-volt power and supports multiple pool size configurations. Its design emphasizes energy efficiency and consistent heating performance for extended pool use. Number 1. The VARMINPOOL. This compact electric pool heater offers 30,000 BTU of heating capacity and is tailored for above-ground pools, particularly those around 7,000 gallons, with multiple size variants available. It runs on standard 120-volt household power, simplifying installation without the need for specialized electrical upgrades. The system includes Wi-Fi connectivity for app-based control, allowing users to manage temperature settings conveniently. A corrosion-resistant titanium heat exchanger enhances durability, especially in chlorinated water, while the inverter-style operation ensures efficient and reliable heating. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.